Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wipe a pre-seasoned lodge pan with a thin coat of neutral oil so seasoning is active. Once done, set your oven to 500 degrees or its highest safe temperature and let it climb for 30 minutes. You place the cold cast iron in the oven as it heats to prevent warping and ensure even heat. Make sure to handle with mitts. The pan heats slowly but retains extreme heat. This creates the crisp crust you want. You stretch dough just slightly larger than the pan so edges crisp against the rim. It's intentional for texture. Once stretched, brush the pan with about 1/2 tsp oil to promote release, press dough in, and add sauce and minimal toppings so heat reaches crust. Bake at 500 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes. Once done halfway, rotate the pan for uniform browning. You'll notice faster bottom cooking with cast iron. You remove the hot pan with heavy mitts and let the pizza rest in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes so cheese firms and the crust sets. Once rested, slide onto a board, and if you want more char, broil for 30 to 60 seconds while watching closely. If the pizza's stuck, don't panic. Clean gently, wipe dry, apply a thin coat of oil, and bake upside down at 400 degrees for 1 hour to rebuild seasoning. That repair fixes most sticking issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.